Morning and welcome to another cold trip into my workshop. I've been asked to have a little look at a couple of potential indicators that I've got, voltage indicators, voltage detectors as GS38 would like to call them. So the first one out of the bag is the Drummond MTL20PD kit, which is this one here. So nice storage bag and Drummond voltage indicator. Now this kit comes with a PD440 indicator, proving unit, and the voltage indicators. Now these have changed very little from the old John Drummond MTL7 filament lamp indicators that have been used for years. I think these are 2.5 double insulated oil resistant rubber leads, angle probes, fused handles. Even this one from probably somewhere in the 60s has got retractable probe tips, which is very nice. Something we've lost these days, which is a shame. So no longer do we have a filament lamp. The MTL 10, 15 and 20 are both high intensity LEDs. The lights can be seen 360 degrees around. They have decent lead sets. I think these are certainly at least 1.5 double insulated. They may be 2.5. It's difficult to tell from some of the descriptions that we have online. Comes with removable tips. No batteries, so this is completely driven by the mains or the DC supply. This is a 2016 model, but they haven't changed. In the kit, I don't know whether I've still got them in mine, certainly not in that bit. In the kit you still get one of the angle probes to enable getting into tight spaces. This one, the full kit, is around 140 quid plus VAT. The unit itself, you're going to get these for around 70 quid. These are the heavy duty end of the voltage indicator range, low voltage, AC and DC. These will do 50 volts to 400 volts, although their maximum voltage is 500 volts AC, 750 volts DC. These are quite nice because we have a load button here. If you have nuisance voltages floating around in your system, the low impedance or the high impedance testers can have difficulty understanding what is a phantom voltage and what is a true voltage. These have, if you push both buttons, these induce a 8.8k resistor into circuit, pushing up the load that these draw to nearly 30 milliamps, which means it's going to squash a lot of nuisance voltages within your system. That's a neat idea. There aren't very many people that do that. It does, at 28 milliamps, cause you a problem if you're testing RCDs, because it's going to squash them out for you. But hey, there you go. So first off, a lot of my testers couldn't fit into here. Don't know that this one can either. we are turned on. There you go. Plug was pulled out a little bit. So nice bright indicator. Not quite 400 volts illuminated, obviously, because I'm on a 230 volt domestic installation. Got to get it just right, otherwise it's not going to pick up. But there you go, nice bright light. This one you can do through the case, so the PD440 should turn out at least 440 volts. On a good set of batteries it's going to be closer to 490, so we will get all of these illuminated nice and bright, no denying what you've got there, even in bright sunlight. If I put those, it puts a higher load and causes a low battery indicator on the unit because it's drawing far too much current through. So that is the favourite of people in industrial markets, maybe DNOs. It does add quite a packet to your tool bag, and some people are not going to like the fact that it's a one-shot tester. It doesn't do continuity, it only keeps you alive. Some people don't like it. Of all my testers, I think that is my favourite. It's bulletproof, it's robust, IP64, work in 85% humidity, work from -10 to +55 degrees. Good tester. Thank you very much.